In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Edge to privately log into your Gmail account. Privacy is a growing concern these days, and many of us are looking for ways to keep our online activities as confidential as possible. Knowing how to do this safely in your browser can give you peace of mind. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. If you're not already familiar with it, Edge is Microsoft's web browser that provides a fast and secure browsing experience. Once you've fired up the browser, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for an icon that resembles an ellipsis, in essence, 3 simple dots lined up horizontally. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to a variety of settings and options within Edge. Among the options in this menu, look for the one labeled New in Private window and click on it. What this does is open a new browser window that lets you surf the internet privately without saving any history, cookies, or site data when you close the window. It's worth noting that in-private browsing isn't a shield against everything. Sites you visit still know you visited them, and whatever you do within that session is visible to others who can see your screen, but it does keep your browsing discreet in terms of browser history. Now that you have your in-private window open, navigate to the Gmail website by typing gmail.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Gmail is Google's email service, which is widely used and reliable for personal and professional communication. At the Gmail homepage, you'll see fields to enter your email address and password. Carefully type in your email address. Double-check for typos since even a small mistake can prevent you from signing in. Once confirmed, click on that Next button. Now, move to the password field and enter your password. Again, make sure you're entering it correctly. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll need to enter the code sent to your phone, providing an extra layer of security to your login process. After a successful login, you're all set to start using Gmail in private mode. This ensures that, as soon as you close the window, your session data isn't stored on the device. You can now read your emails, send new messages, organize your inbox, or go about your other Gmail activities with an added sense of privacy. Remember, when you're done, simply closing the in-private window will ensure that the browser doesn't retain any browsing history or cookies, helping you keep your activities private. This is a great way to use Gmail, especially on shared computers or public devices. And there you have it. You've learned how to privately log into Gmail using Microsoft Edge. This method is a simple yet effective way to maintain a degree of privacy while accessing your email. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.